So here is a my desktop backup of the website called standonyourown.org. So we have the banner here with navigation, some of the navigation, and we have 3 videos and a block of text. 2 videos and a block of text. 2 videos and a block of text. Again, we've got 2 videos and a block of text. And we've got 1 video here. So I'll illustrate that a bit better. 1 video here and a block of text. We've also got the frequently asked questions abbreviated to FAQs, and don't be a stranger, the contact form. I won't be talking about those, but I'll be talking about these blocks. These blocks of text and the videos, the 2 videos, the 3 videos like here, the 2 videos like below, and the 1 video followed by a block of text, all created by a plugin which is called EAE 3 videos above text widget. In order to get to that plugin from the front page, you have to be logged in. Then you click on this button, go to Appearance, and then Widgets, and you find it in sidebar rows, one of these sidebars here. So you have EA 3 videos above text and a widget. So this is pretty nondescript, but it's a YouTube ID like in the previous video. You get it from a YouTube URL. I'll just quickly demonstrate this here. So that this YouTube ID, I1WQ and the rest, is the same as I1WQ and the rest here. So if I was to swap that over with the next one is this lady here looking alarmed at kids with glasses. If I was to swap that over, so I'll go into this one.
Hello, I'm Anne McCarthy. I've been coming out to Uganda for the past 15 years, and I've helped the local people set up this guest house which is here, which you can see, beautiful scenery surrounding hills both sides of the road. We've got about 20 individual
My name, I'm Dennis.
And the images aren't exactly the same, but
I was born from this
the front
area.
image in YouTube.
My dad is a person, and my mom.
So moving on from that, you've got a writing here, an interview with Anne McCarthy, who is a key donor, and an interview with Anne McCarthy, who is a key donor. So we know all of this matches. So it also says here, what is Stand on Your Own? And come down here, and it says, what is Stand on Your Own? What we have here is something called a shortcode. It links to a document called What Is, because of this code. So shortcodes are in square brackets, and they'll have a shortcode identifier, which in this case is EAEPS. Then you have PNAME, which is another identifier which is abbreviation for post name, and it's equal to what is. So if I go into my posts here and I go to what is, you'll get the same content here. Stand on Your Own is an NGO fully registered in Uganda. Second paragraph, it gets support from UK charity ULCP. Stand on Your Own is NGO fully registered in Uganda. Second paragraph, it gets support from UK charity ULCP. So those two are the same and they're linked to each other because you have this short code here, which is a piece of code with another piece of code with a reference and then with the name of the post. So it has to be copied out. All this just has to be copied out, and then after the equal sign you put the post name in quotes. So you see the patterns repeated again and again here. We're using the same block of code but with different contents. We've got a different video URL. Here we've only got two videos, video 1, video 2, nothing for video 3. And what you have here are these facade images, which are images here, JPEGs, which take the place of the YouTube video only when the website's loading. So instead of loading a whole YouTube video, which is moving images, the website loads a single image, which is a static image, and that saves us a lot of data. So you have to fill these images out yourself by going to media and wherever those images are in here. Media library, see now. The images will be stored within the server, or they could be from an external source, but they are stored here. I just haven't made it show it yet. Like for instance, if I go to add media, add new, and select an image, pictures, no I don't go to pictures, go into websites. All you need to know is where you yourself have stored the images, then you can upload it. This is a slightly obscure place. You have to understand WordPress to understand it. So this is video 2. If I put video 1 image in place of video 2, so I've copied video 1 in, library, that's the video 1 image. It's not a video, but it's just the image of it. I'm going to put it in the video 2 position. So this is a video URL, that's a video ID, sorry. And this corresponds to video 1 here and video 2. So if I put this here, we get 2 images showing the first image. on the front page. So we have the first one and the second one repeating until you hover the mouse over them, in which case they load the video. It's a data saving technique called having a facade. So that's basically all there is to this widget. You get the ID from YouTube. It's a bit at the end, the weird bit at the end of the URL with this coded writing. You can edit the video description here, and once you've edited the video description and you've edited the images and you've edited the heading, you just click on the save button and refresh the page, and the page is loaded. This process is repeated 4 or 5 times here to create this entire website, just from these grey looking boxes without any coding. Other things you can do, I've always used shortcodes. I think instead of using a shortcode, you could just paste the contents of the document. Say you're going to post, you go into what is, Control A. Down. And Control C. Appearance, widget. So basically I want to paste the contents of what is in that box here. And it looks the same because we have the same contents. Let's just test that to be sure. Appearance, widget. Yes, see, this is a box of what is. It's just copied from the what is page and pasted into post and pasted into the website. You can obviously edit it here in case you don't want to use shortcodes, but if you intend to do that, please tell me. I'll make this box a lot wider. Okay, so well, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for listening. Bye.